To go live on TikTok from PC. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps on how can you go live on TikTok from PC. To go live on TikTok, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. First of all, open up a browser and you want to type in www.tiktok.com/studio. After you are taken to this page, you'll be then see this sort of interface, right? So in order to go live, you'll have to meet some criteria. So what you could do is you could simply go ahead and scroll down, after which you could simply go ahead and click on get access, which is right over here. And once you have actually done it, so you want to then go ahead and log into your account. After you are logged in, then you can go live by tapping on the plus button. However, there are some criteria before you go live. So you have to actually have 1,000+ followers. Only then you could go live. So if you meet with the criteria, then you could tap on the plus button and go live on TikTok from PC. So that is how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.